That is a serious pile of, look at that, man hair. At least it's nice and curly.
It is, it's nice, it's good.
It is definitely the size of my
Eddie right there.
Alright, well, we made it. It's right behind me. Looks like a pretty nice place. So let's go in and chop the mop. We'll see what happens. With the after? Yeah, go ahead, spin me. I'm good. Woo! No, it's been so long since I've cut my hair. It's just like...
It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks great. It's fantastic. Awesome. That is a serious pile of, look at that, man hair. At least it's nice and curly.
It is, it's nice, it's good.
It is definitely the size of my...
Eddie right there.
I'm videoing. I'll give everybody a tour. Okay, let's do this.
I'd like to start our kitchen. I'm giving you all the kitchen here.
It's lovely, isn't it? Everything's brand new.
Black new appliances. Everything.
Looks great. This is amazing. I already took a picture of the outside. Yes. Gorgeous, huh? This is the living area. Let's follow Andy. Very clean.
This right here is where Mom and Tom get to stay. This is our spare bedroom. It will have a bed.
Oh, there's the U-Haul. You can see the U-Haul. And a big,
walk-in closet.
huge walk-in closet. This is very nice.
Cute, right?
Very cute. You're going to take up all the space with your clothes, I'm sure.
Perhaps. This is our bathroom. And my favorite part of the entire house
Yes.
is the tile shower.
A tile shower.
It's not as big as the Trump Hotel, but I think it'll do us really well. It's really nice.
It'll be very nice. That's our house.
It's called the dollhouse.
The dollhouse.
So I decided to take the top off the Jeep today and enjoy the sunny weather. And yeah, this is what happens. That'll teach me, I think.
That will definitely. Mine's pretty scared. It's raining pretty hard out here. You can see it's coming down pretty good. Maya's shaking. Oh, Maya. Oh, Maya's scared. It's okay, Pumpkin. 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 It's okay. I'm scared. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. She's scared. She's not used to the thunder and the lightning, but she'll get used to it. This is a good storm, actually. This one doesn't look like it's just going to blow over in the next 5 minutes. It's here for a few. And you can see it's pouring off the house. Craziness. It's pretty wild. This is actually probably one of the best storms we've seen. But this is a typical thunderstorm. Typical thunderstorm in Fort Myers. It's coming down hard. I guess you could really see it through there. The camera's just not good enough to pick it up, but it is coming down. It just missed the loud thunderclaps. They were about 2 minutes ago. And it was like lightning flash, thunderclap. So that was the eye of the storm. Probably another 10 minutes and it'll pass by. It's a good one though. Welcome to Florida.